Welcome. This is a morning yoga stretch perfect for beginners or anyone looking to wake up the body for the day ahead. Let's begin. Come to your back, reaching up overhead, getting a good stretch in throughout the body, maybe bending side to side, whatever feels good here. Perfect. Hug the left knee into chest. Begin opening and closing the knee. So just finding some gentle movement here. Using your hand as support. Release. Begin hugging the right knee into chest, so just switching legs here. And begin rocking the knee side to side. Release, hugging both knees to chest. Grabbing the outer edges of the feet, drawing the heels towards your groin. Begin rocking side to side if that feels good. Rest here or open the feet for happy baby pose. Go ahead and hug the knees, get a good squeeze here, and come to your seat, keeping the knees bent, feet planted on the mat. Begin rocking the knees side to sides, just seeing how low you can get the knees, maybe tapping the knees on the floor. When you're ready, come to a comfortable seat. Inhaling, hands overhead, reach nice and tall. On the exhale, taking a twist towards the left. When you're ready, inhale back to center, reaching up overhead. Exhale, twisting to the right. Sitting nice and tall here. On your next inhale, coming back to center. Exhale, left hand to the mat. Right hand reaches up overhead for a side stretch. Inhale to center. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Release. Come to table. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Dropping the belly, inhale, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine for cat pose. We'll continue moving with the breath, dropping the belly, gazing up. Exhaling, gazing down. Continue this at your own pace. When you're ready, come to a nice neutral spine, straightening the left leg, tucking the toes, pressing into that left heel. Nice little calf stretch. Release, opposite side. Feel free to keep a slight bend in the knee if that feels best for you. Release, sending the hips down for child's pose. You have an option here to have the knees a little wider apart, if that feels good. Drawing the breath into the belly, nice deep belly breath. Expanding the low back with your inhale. Exhaling, releasing any tension within the upper back, the shoulders, the neck. Release. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.